This guy loves Dale Earnhardt. In America, I guess so. Look at this lift. What am I seeing right now? Hold up. I can't even, like... This thing's giant. You can see the exhaust in there. See that? This thing is so jacked, you have no idea. If you saw this in person, you'd be like, holy shit. I would be done now, but I'm not gonna be done now. There's a door open, and we're looking at. Alright. Alright, here we go. That's the open door.
Alright, this year, the Richardson Garage would like to honor all vets and active duty military in attendance, as well as those serving around the world with a playing of our national anthem. If you would please rise.